What's up, you guys? Why don't you guys come on in? Follow me, I'll give you a tour of the new locker room. So right over here, for starters, we've got the TV where we'll watch film and kind of just recap on past games. Little do you know, it's also a whiteboard, so it's very handy. Then we got the main event. We've got the lockers. Name up top, we kind of keep our shoes in the top cubby. We've got lights on the inside that will turn on before games. School supplies, whatever you need to keep there, and then just extra things to put in the basket underneath. We'll kind of sit here before practice, kind of recoup a little bit. Haley Schubert, number 33 to my right. I tend to polish her shoes before practice starts. We'll set the tone, and then we'll go on out and we'll get to work. Right over here, we've got what I like to call the legacy wall. Kind of just past pictures of historic teams and really just amazing things that happened throughout the year. So kind of fun to look back on that and get some perspective. And then in here, nothing too crazy, just jerseys, things usually that we'll use for game day. Then to the left of me, this is the best part, we've got the lovely restroom, the sliding door right there. We've got 2 restrooms, and we've got 2 sinks, 2 mirrors where Julia Duncan loves to look at herself and get herself game day ready. We've got the washer, the dryer where we'll do laundry, and we've got the shower where we will clean up after practices usually. So all good things, and it's just been amazing to be able to spend time in here with the girls and just be able to play the sport that we love. So thank you guys so much for letting me show you around. Hope you guys are able to come out to a few games and go Flames.